Hey guys, in my previous tutorials, I've shown you how to create a CC light sweep effect within DaVinci Resolve to make your text really stand out. The first video used a simple mask. The second video, I actually did it with a gradient. I'll leave links to the tutorials in the description below. Now in this video, we're going to use the CC light sweep effect on a logo. It is a slightly different way of doing it. I'm going to show you two different methods. Both look really cool and both are very easy to do. So let's get into it. So once again, we're here in DaVinci Fusion. This time we need, guess what? Another background node. We're going to connect that across like so. We're now going to bring in our logo. So I've got it here. Just do that. Get rid of our media pool. Take the logo, connect into your background like that, and it'll create a merge. Just good housekeeping. Click on the median, F2, and we'll call it logo like so. We now need to create our sweep, which is super easy. Bring in another background node, change its color to white or a lighter color, and connect that in like so. And everything goes white again. So click on your background and add another B-spline. And this time what you want to do is go from corner to corner. So we'll go here and make sure it joins at the end like that. Again, I've got auto curves on my spline, so I'm going to select them all like that and hit linear, so I'm out like that. Right, I need that to rotate around the cube, and the way you do that, I'm going to click on this background just here, come up to the toolbar, and I'm going to hit transform like that. Make sure you're on frame 0, clicking on the transform, come across to the angle and hit a keyframe like so. Go forward, say 100 frames. Type in -360 this time, and now it will loop like so. So now we need to loop that, so click on the transform, come up to the spline window, make sure it's selected here, zoom to fit's already done, so we're going to hit select all, and then we're going to use a ping pong effect on it. Now when we go through it, you'll see it's going around like that. You can loop it if you want, I just seem to be addicted to the ping pong thing at the moment. Right, now if I go to this merge and then change its apply mode to say color dodge, we get this effect where the sweep is inside the logo, covering everything, and actually we just want it to be on this edge here. So how do we get around that? Well, it's actually quite easy. What we do is we take our logo, we bring in a transform, we connect the logo across to our transform like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring in something called an invert node. So clicking on this transform, shift space bar, INV like that. We're looking for the invert node there. Add that. And we're going to take this and connect it into the mask of the merge just here. Watch what happens. It vanishes. Why does it vanish? It's because what we need to now do is click on this transform just here. I'm going to change the size to 0.93 like that, and look at that. So what have we done? Well, essentially what we've done is we've copied this logo across to here, shrank it in size a little bit, and then inverted its color and gone into here. So now it just shows across the edges. And if we want that to be less harsh, just click on your spline tool just here and increase that soft edge like so, like that. Right, to take it to the next level, we are going to add a raise again. So let's click on this merge just here, shift space bar, and we're looking for raise, which is this one just here. Let's add that. It's a bit powerful when it comes in. You can see it's kind of glowing everything. So what you need to do this time is play with the length of the raise, this one over here, and you need to change the brightness as well to bring it down to a level that you like. So you get that kind of effect. Again, you can animate those rays as we've done before. So I've got a frame 0 and click a keyframe on the position, go through to say frame 120, click a keyframe, go to frame 60, and then just bring it down in the wide like that. With that, get that kind of effect. You would need to again hit on the spline key, make sure it's selected, zoom to fit, select all, and then create a ping pong, so it you get that effect like that. Let's just play that back. How cool is that? Now, before you go, I am going to show you one more little trick which I learned, and that is this. We're going to disconnect this light ray, and we're going to actually connect it up here. So we're going to connect it like this, and then take that and connect it into this merge. We're then going to click on that merge and add another merge. We're going to take this merge and connect it across like so. And it is done nothing, Charles. What are you doing? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the output from this light rays and connect it in like that. So we get that. Clicking on this merge, we're going to go down and change it from normal to multiply like that. And then when we play that back, we get this. How cool is that? Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make liquid particles within DaVinci Fusion. Now, normally Fusion can't actually do this as it has no real physics, so I actually used a very, very clever hack. Also remember, you can download projects from my website for completely free of charge. You will need to hit subscribe and go to the link in the description. You will also need to put in your email address, but don't worry, I hate spam, so I won't be spamming you. Again, hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one.